In today's competitive business environment, the most successful companies understand the importance of data. Yet the simple act of collecting data is not enough. Welcome to the new era of data management, sales analytics, and actionable insights. The IBM Sales Dashboard. The IBM Sales Dashboard, or ISD, is the latest in a series of innovative tools hosted on IBM's public cloud, designed to provide a streamlined and intuitive end-to-end user experience. The IBM Sales Dashboard supports real-time decision-making by gathering terabytes of data from our existing sales opportunity management systems. Capable of fetching more than 200,000 records in seconds, ISD manages vast volumes of data while being flexible enough to instantaneously drill down to the opportunity level. Let's take a look. As a first-time user of the ISD, you will need to create a user profile. Select your role, business unit, and if desired, a manager's node. Once completed, save your profile with a descriptive name. ISD allows you to create and save multiple profiles, so you can add new profiles or modify existing ones to meet your specific business needs. Now that you have access to the dashboard, let's review some of the key navigational features. The left side of the dashboard contains the global navigation panel, allowing you to move between each section of the IBM Sales Dashboard. By default, the global navigation panel is minimized, only showing the icons for each section. If you prefer to see the name and the icon simultaneously, click the Expand slider arrow on the top left section. Clicking the X icon will minimize the section. At the top right of the dashboard, you will find a filter icon that allows to apply either global filters that once applied remain unchanged across all the sections of ISD, or page-specific filters that can be applied and retained separately for each section within ISD. This global and page-specific filter option or icon is available for use within all sections of ISD. At the top is a table containing Key Performance Indicators, or KPIs, providing summary metrics for that section. Each section in ISD has its own KPI table with indicators applicable for that section. You will notice an information icon in the top right section of each box, explaining each KPI. Every page of the IBM Sales Dashboard contains a series of charts or tables specifically created for that section. These charts can be expanded by clicking the double arrow keys in the top right corner of the chart. When expanded, you can select Show Table to see the underlying data associated with that chart. Most charts are drillable by clicking on a section within the chart. You can navigate back to the prior selection by clicking the single chevron icon next to the section name, or back to the beginning by clicking the double chevron key. We have explored setting up your profile and ISD navigational tips. Now we will review the 4 distinct sections of the dashboard: the executive summary, the aggregated pipeline, the segmented pipeline, and the transactional pipeline. Let's take a look at the first section, the executive summary. The executive summary view is the first screen that you see when you enter into the ISD. It is designed to give you an overview of your pipeline based on geo and business unit coverage. Based upon your profile and the applied global or page-specific filters, the executive summary page will display the key sales metrics relevant to your role. The default charts for the executive summary section are geo coverage percent and business unit group coverage percent for both PPV and WSR. You can change the featured charts by clicking the settings icon on the top right. You can select new charts, modify the layout, or return to the default layout. Hovering over any chart bar will reveal the data for the individual data point. To view how a specific geo is performing, select the geo name, and the drill-through capability will provide detail information for the geo. The next section is the aggregated pipeline view. The aggregate pipeline provides additional analysis of your pipeline by sales stage, pipeline quality, and prescriptive analytics provided by the sales action quadrants. The global and page-specific filter options can be accessed from this page as well as by clicking on the filter icon at the top right. The aggregated pipeline's page-specific filter view includes the options Business Unit and Geo. The KPI tables have been updated to show sales stage pipeline and the ability to drill down in several of the sales stage KPIs. Some of the charts feature a drop-down filter on the top right of the frame, allowing one to choose a different metric. For example, the pipeline quality and the VP track charts provide multiple options from which to choose. The pipeline quality charts and the SAQ chart provide drill-through capability to the key deals list, with the ability to further refine with additional filters. The next section is the segmented section. The segmented pipeline provides a view of pipeline data from numerous different angles, including deal size and client set. The default charts show pipeline data by client set, deal size, channel PPV, and strategic initiative. However, additional chart views may be selected from the Settings tool. Use the page-specific filter options under the Filters icon to change the data parameters for all the charts. Several charts have the ability to drill down and change the type of views being shown. Additionally, the deal size charts give you the ability to switch views from week to week and year to year. The final section is the transactional pipeline, which is comprised of roadmap, key deals, and milestones views. In the roadmap section, the page-specific filters under the filter option at the top right provide the capability to change between different chart views, as well as the forecast perspective based on LIO Manager. Portions of the roadmap to budget, GOWSR COV%, and roadmap trend charts are drillable down to the opportunity level. The WSR track and roadmap trend charts provide the ability to view different dimensions by choosing from the drop-down filters in the top right of the chart frame. In the Key Deals section, the default group is by roadmap status. To change the grouping, use the page-specific filters under the filter option at the top. You can change the number of opportunities displayed by selecting the desired number in the Items per Section list on the top left. Valid selections are between 5 and 20 rows per section. When expanded, you can scroll left to right to see more data. The Key Deals list is fully customizable. Once again, by selecting the Settings icon, you can add additional columns or switch the layout of the columns. You can also filter the columns to limit the type of data retrieved. If you want to save this as a preset filter in the future, simply provide a name and save. Up to 5 filters can be saved. All columns can be sorted without affecting your search criteria. In the Milestones section, the default view is sorted on revenue value. However, all columns can be sorted ascending or descending. The milestone deal lists are fully customizable. By selecting the Settings icon, you can import, remove, or rearrange all columns in the table, and up to 5 customized views can be saved. Milestone deal lists can be additionally filtered by WSR or non-WSR deals. The award-winning IBM Sales Dashboard. Powerful, customizable, fast, interactive. The IBM Sales Dashboard is changing the way we track, analyze, and report sales data, enabling IBM sales for success. Go to Access Hub today and search for IBM Sales Dashboard.